Hey guys, back with a new video, and today, I think we're just going to take a little tour around my house. And I think we're going to first start off with this dude right here. So I got me dog. Well, we're getting another dog about 2 weeks. We're getting another Yorkie. So, look at that. Is he alive? Hold on. Are you alive? Give me a kissy. Yes, you love me. He's so cute. God, why are you so cute, Polly? Why? Got my couch. What? Polly put your booty dent in the couch. Aww.
Hey, Winky Bear.
Hi.
Are you hungry?
A little.
Hey, some cereal.
Why would it be me? Yeah, look at this dog. He's so cute. Let's see if I can get him.
Alright, you gotta put the crab on and we should be
Look at it, dude. Why are you so confused? Alright, so got my couch. It's kind of messed up by my dog. Cause Polly, why'd you sit on the pillows? No, don't, no. Oh God, we got a failure coming. If I can focus. He's too scared.
No.
Come on, you got this, Polly. Come on. Go. We got this. We got this. Come on.
My legs are old.
Come on.
Help.
He said it. Oh God. Oh God, that was a failure. Okay. Look at this dog.
Gabby, I hurt myself.
Got a tour with the dog. Say hi. Say hi, cutie. Hold on. Hi. He said, nah. He said, nah, that ain't happening today. We break the rules, kids. Oh yeah, also have, if I can focus. Juicy crab, pretty good. I got, look at this dude dog. If you can, Polly, why are you smelling the Cheerios? He also has bumps on his butt, literally. Hold on a second. Hey, why are you moving? Okay, I guess Napoleon's gonna take you on a tour of the house. And sorry for the loud zooming noises.
Yeah.
And look, this is magic.
Holy!
And Lisette called me like 5 times. You want to please call her?
Yeah. That, I got you.
So yeah,
Phone's over on the counter.
I guess Napoleon's gonna, oh, nope, never mind. He's just gonna have to, just sit there. Because that has to be what dogs do, right?
I mean, what kind of...
Huh? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going up the stairs. Right here.
Oof. Just oof. Just oof. Alright, let's see if I can get it on again. Okay. Honestly, baby focus. This is probably like one of the worst tours ever because it's just of my dog trying to do nothing. So really nothing. But yeah, that was really boring actually. Look at this dude.
Call Judy.
Aw. Look at him. He's so cute. Look at his face. Hi, Polly. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, he's also blind, so his eyes. If you get it, come here. It's okay. It's okay. Good boy. You don't want to show the viewers the eyes? Let's see these eyes. Ah, yeah. Let me see. Look at me, Polly. Look at me. Look at me. Good boy. See those eyes? They're messed up. Both of them. Oh, he moved. Yeah, both of them are messed up. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna end the video on this. Hope you guys have a good day, good week. Peace out. And Polly, are you gonna say the rest? Goodbye. Roof roof.